Back in the day, as we learned, a man was not considered to be Has he not gone beyond the hills? Has he not crossed the 7 seas?
Yes, 7 seas at least.
Now all them jokers kept around just like a scarecrows in hometown.
Yes, scarecrows in hometown.
From screen to screen, them traveling.
Fantje, zakaj moramo obrniti?
Zakaj Janez je palil pot?
Pa veste, zakaj ne moramo iti? Fucking shit.
But I'm a wanderlust king. I stay on the run. Yeah, run. Let me out. Let me be gone. In the world, beat up road sign. I so knew history of a time. New history of Siberian woods breaking up their neck. Chinese moving in, building discotheques. Trans-Siberian sex toys and whatnot. Yeah, why not? Oh well, at least it's something different from what they got in every other airport. Я не еврей, но кое-что похоже соврать не даст ни Юра, ни Сережа. Simply because I'm not a total gajo. Да я шут, я циркач, ну так что же? I travel the world looking for understanding of the times that we live in. Hunting and gathering first-hand information, challenging definitions of sin. I travel the world looking for lovers of the ultimate beauty, but never selling. I am a wanderlust king. I stay on the run. Let me out. Let me be gone. In the world, beat up road sign. I so knew history of a time. New history of wanderlust king. I had myself a good laugh, remembering the times of my provincial naivety. when I was ready to break horns of all the cows, just to establish myself as non-conforming. Well, time has passed and I looked back with a different eye, and I thought it's time to re-enlist with Wonder Why Guy. I reached out for a pen to sign a peace treaty, but suddenly got up and took to running wild against the nature, against the grain, for as long and as far as you can, for only there lays entertainment, for a heart of merry lasting